Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by evacuating excess air so the chip surfaces sit flat and you can get a clean seal. Fold the top edge twice, pressing out creases with your fingers to make a narrow lip. Place a 1-inch strip of parchment or foil along the fold to protect the bag. Heat your hair straightener or iron to a low setting. You want to melt plastic slightly, not burn it. Once warm, clamp on the folded edge and hold for 2 to 3 seconds per inch. With the bag prepped and heated tool ready, you press along the folded lip in steady, overlapping motions so the plastic melts uniformly. Move at a rate of roughly 1 inch every 2 to 3 seconds. If using an iron, protect the bag with a thin cloth and press rather than drag to avoid stretching. After sealing a section, clamp it with a clothespin or binder clip to hold the bond while it cools. Repeat until the full width is sealed and firm. You finish by inspecting the seam visually and then gently inflating the bag to confirm airtightness. Any escaping air shows a weak spot. If you find a gap, reheat that small area briefly and press again, then immediately clip it until cool. For persistent leaks, add a short strip of heat-resistant tape across the seam for reinforcement. Finally, expel remaining air, reseal, and store upright in a cool, dry place. This preserves crunch and prevents oil rancidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.